Let's learn how to create this type of AI images for free. First, open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. Here you can type your prompt and also paste the prompt which is given in the description. Now click on Create. Wait for a few seconds. Now click on Images to preview. Download the image. Which do you want? Click on Download. Let's try another prompt. Both prompts are given in the description. Now click on Create. Wait for a few seconds. Click on Images to preview. Click on Download to download this image. Hope you like this video. Subscribe now and thanks for watching.